Soham is the name of this clinic for Holistic Medicare and Cure. It is dedicated to promotion of positive health and total wellness, body, mind and spirit of an individual. It integrates the science of modern medicine with the art of the various traditional, officially recognized drug-free systems of health, and it aims at helping us to cure the conventionally incurable diseases. All the diseases and without using any drugs. It saves us from the side effects and the costs, and it helps to achieve this in a very short period. And the importance of regular exercise in each patient is taught the virtues of Ashtanga Yoga, the eight aspects of yoga, which essentially comprise Yama, Niyama, the Dhyan, Dharana, Pratyahara and various mantras. We use the Chinese system of acupuncture with its various modalities, like we use the traditional needle-based acupuncture, we use acupressure, we use Sujok, the hand and form of acupuncture, reflexology, ear acupuncture, which is called auriculotherapy. We use laser as a substitute to the use of needles. We use ultrasonic, electroacupuncture or vacuum therapy, moxibustion, even bloodletting, etc. as a part of this acupuncture therapy. These things help for the individual to start getting this normal state of well-being, and the person starts forming his own medication, and gradually the disease gets cured. So the benefits of holistic Medicare are that it adds life to the ears of each person. It improves the final outcome of every sickness, and it complements all the systems and the specialties of medicine to improve the final outcome of every disease, and whereby it helps us to cure. This broad chart is just to highlight that there is no disease which our system is not competent to cure by itself. So I think there is a need for the whole world today to be sensitized about the benefits of not following any one single track to try to treat people, but pick up the strengths, pick up the goodness of all the systems, especially where we are using no drugs. We are causing no harm. We cannot even possibly create any problem for the patient, but we can cure a vast range of any disease. All the diseases are curable because the healing power lies within me. Soham. The Soham word as describes as it is outside, so it is inside, and this harmony leads to health, happiness and abundance in life. This also enables us to take care of all the ailments of an individual concurrently. The person may have as many number of diseases, they can all be taken care of at the same time, and they start healing simultaneously. What is very good about it that it has age reversal qualities. The diseases which are attributed to the process of aging, old age, as they say now, is because of the old age, nothing can be done. But this, by reinvigorating, by reintroducing, by energizing our own life force, we can arrest and reverse the process of aging and start enjoying the health all over. I request the people to explore more and more the goodness of this therapy and enjoy your health and wellness, and spread this message to everyone around you.